Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell Toncoin on your Tonkeeper wallet. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You'll see this interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to sell Toncoin, here you can see buy and sell option. Tap on it. By default, you are in the buy section. Now you need to go to the sell section, so tap on sell. Here you will see a section which says sell Toncoins. You can tap on the show all button and it will show you all the options from which you can sell your Toncoins. So select your preferred method. I will select app and change for now. Select open app and change. Over here you'll see two fields. In this UP section, you can enter the amount of Toncoins that you want to sell, and right below that you'll see the corresponding amount of money you will receive by selling your Toncoins. You can select your preferred currency from here, and once you are done, you can tap on this continue button, and after this it will ask you to verify from your email address, and you will be able to sell your Toncoins and you will receive the money on your bank account. So that's it. That's how you can sell Toncoins from Tonkeeper wallet. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.